In a primetime news follow-up now, one of 4 policemen accused of robbing and sexually assaulting a woman while on duty in St. Elizabeth has been charged. Constable Alwyn Hill was today slapped with 4 charges, while the other 3 officers have been released. Kelisha Williams has that report.
The Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit issued a statement today saying the officer was charged following investigations into the January 30 incident allegedly committed in Black River, St. Elizabeth. It said Constable Alwyn Hill was charged with rape, grievous sexual assault, forcible abduction, corruptly soliciting, and simply larceny, acts he allegedly committed while on duty. Now, the police said reports indicate that between 10 and 10:30 p.m., Hill was on duty with 3 other members conducting a vehicle checkpoint operation. A woman was stopped and a breach of the Road Traffic Act detected. The statement said Hill allegedly solicited money in exchange for not prosecuting the woman. She was taken to an automated teller machine and was subsequently sexually assaulted. The woman made a report and the police immediately launched an investigation. The police said the case file was prepared and submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions, who recommended that Hill be charged. The other 3 officers were subsequently released. The police high command is commending the investigators for their quick and efficient probe. In the meantime, following public outcry over the incident, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson said the JCF is assuring the public that such allegations are taken seriously and that it is committed to ensuring the safety and security of all citizens. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.